Okay, so grade 10. Esibhizi ngako today is senza question paper yango March. So this is question paper yango March 2018 physics paper 1. Yabo? So mekuthiwa physics paper 1 baqonda ukuthini? Physical sciences ihlukene kabili. We have into esibiza nge-physics, we have esibiza nge-chemistry, and together they form physical science. So namhlanje so besiphendule wena imibuzo sichaze umbuzo, sichaze indlela yokuansa, siphendule ukuze wena uzokwazi ukuthi mawusiyobhala lelo ozolibhala wena ngoMarch nawe, but ngo-2024 ube usuready. Alright, so question 1 lo. But ke before siziqale kona sizolibuka kancane leli phepha ngikufundele ukuthi ama instructions athini, how many marks, isikhathi singakanani, konke lonto le. So mawukuthi ke nawe usendaweni eright, hlala phansi nawe uthole ibhuku ozobhalela kulona, set isikhathi and be prepared. So lana ke nanti iphepha leli lase KZN March 2018 physical sciences ya grade 10. So leli phepha lu 50 marks. Amamaki nje awu 50. And then isikhathi sokubhala leli phepha is 1 hour. Okusho ukuthi isona sikhathi esikufanele ukuthi uqede wonke ama questions ala. Kwase kwathiwa this question paper consists of 6 pages and 1 data sheet, which means ama page akuleli phepha awu 6 ne data sheet eyo. Yini data sheets? Asiyeni ngemuva soyibheka. Nansi data sheet. Le data sheet le iphethe o speed of light in a vacuum, Planck's constant, lezi number lezi ezingashintshi ka physics engamele futhi uyikreme ngoba uyanikezwe nje ububona. Kukhona ini nama formula phakathi la. Wonke ozowadinga for leli phepha maningi asuke abangawafaka la, but abawafakile ilawo ozowadinga kuleli phepha. So uma kuthi kukhona iformula oyikhohliwe, ile ndawo le la ubukela khona ke uzocheck ukuthi kombe iPlanck's constant ithini, kombe physics F-line wave equation ithini, or kombe speed of light singakanani. Yonke lento leyo iyona ekusizayo le data sheet, which means mawubala nje iseceleni. So enye into engakusiza mhlawumbe because mawunqana ulevel upeqululo uphenge, ungalikhipha iphepha lisegcineni ulibeke eceleni, usale nemibuzo yodwa ngala. So mawubala ubuka eceleni nje na i-data sheet la izokusiza kanjalo. So enye trick le. So ngisisala na iqaleni kwayo iphepha ngithi napho ke la mesiphenga kuvela kuthiwa instructions and information. Okay, kuthiwa la write your name and class, for example 10A, in the appropriate spaces on the answer book, which means bazokunikeza i-answer booklet. I-answer booklet yini? Ila uzobufaka khona ama-answers akho. Okusho ukuthi kuleyo booklet phezulu uzobhala igama lakho nesibongo neclass olifundayo ukuthi uka 10A, uka 10B, uka 10C kanjalo kanjalo. Ukuze umuntu ozokumakela azi ukuthi ngimaka iphepha labani, umfundi ofunda ugrade bani kuliphi iclass. Yabo? Okay. Answer all the questions in the answer book. Okuqonda ukuthini lo? Yonke imibuzo la kubalekile ukuthi uyiphendule. Yes. Ngobani alikho imali ozolahla la. Remember, it's out of 50 and you have 1 hour. So phendula konke. Leave 1 line between 2 sub questions. For example, between question 2.1 and question 2.2. Baqonda ukuthini kube besho njalo. Okusho ukuthi mawusubala uzoshiya isikhala umuntu owodwa between ama questions. Okusho ukuthi uzoqala u2.1 mhlawumbe kuthiwa bathi define mhlawumbe i-frequency. Uyichaza i-frequency. Okay, frequency is the number of waves or pulses passing through a fixed point per second. Before uthi 2.2 usufuna ukuphendula umbuzo olandelayo, uzoshiya isikhala esisodwa kuyima uqala omunye umbuzo. Ile nto abayichazayo instruction le ukuthi kumele uyilandele for wonke ama questions akho. Wonke ama questions ozobuwenza kubalulekile ukuthi ama-instructions owalandela. Okay, and then we have, so you may use a non-programmable calculator. Yabo ilawa ke vele asetshenziswayo ezikoleni avumelekile vele. Okusho ukuthi uma uzothenga i-calculator e-programmable kuzomela ungayisebenzisi because inama cheat codes okuthola ama-answer. You are advised to use the attached data sheets. Bakutshela ukuthi le data sheet lela ngemuva kubalekile ukuthi uyisebenzise le ngoba inezinto ezidingayo for izibalo ngale imibuzo. Show all formulae and substitutions in all calculations. Okusho ukuthi wonke ama-formula ozawasebenzisa ungayibuki iformula ekhanda bese ufaka i-answer la cha. Yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala. Yonke into ecabanga uyayibhala. Yabo? And then kuthiwani nama-substitutions. Sometimes you could do njengaka maths kuyenzeka ukuthi ezinye amanye ama-steps wenze ngekhaya.